Hello. Okay. Where was I? Okay. So what's the goal is just having my game scene started with the initial game state. Take my game scene, my player selection. Start. Okay. For the start function, emit the player selection start. It's never go there. Wait a minute. Emit player selection start. Then the player ready, and the player ready starting the. Wait a minute. Strange. Why it's player selection? Shouldn't be game scene instead? Yeah, this thing should emit leaving the room, and I should have same thing for the game in it. I have logic on my gamer, why not? Doing a new game state. What do I need? That's a. Yeah, what do I need to create the new game state? I think I just need the player. Well, on the on join. Nothing on the create, but. Yeah, this is the option that interests me. Should have, yeah, the game mode. When I think all I need is I need an option. I will do nothing here, but take the option on the create, and then the player model. So the join is going to assign the player model. Going to set state dot player dot set. Need a player model. And an ID, client session ID, and option.player. So it means when you enter the room, well, I still need to the exact same logic. I need to discard the player. Get rid of the join here. So log and so technically when I'm joining, game training. Ah, yeah. It's current game. No. No. It's I don't have the clients. Client. Yeah. Emit doesn't need to be, that's not the problem, but I have player selection state. Yeah, I have the game state, so it should be game state here. State. Not happy about that. Boom, no. It's because, yeah, I didn't. I'm missing something. Then constructor. Yeah, this thing. Oh, it should be good. Game rule does have the schema, game state schema, so. What's wrong here? Ah, yeah. But is that the reason why it's wrong? I don't want to send the game mode, I want to send. So. It's probably game scene, not sure, but. I should have key for that. Boom in now. Missing player projectile. Yeah, something is wrong. We need to send back something. No, I'm not sending back anything. Ah, probably. Yes, probably the reason. Yeah, I did that, so no, it's not the reason. Yeah, but the game state schema, it's already a player, so it should already be empty. You think that's why? No. Oh, it's assign the options, create a new one, create a new player config, assign the player. Yeah, but that's not why it's not working. But it's important to add that. But yeah, I don't get this error. I don't get. Why I think it's room and no. Why do you think it's room? Room player selection state schema, but it's room and no there. Ah, maybe I'm rewriting it. Maybe. Let's take a look. If I'm rewriting it, player selection state. Yeah, okay, I'm rewriting it inside the Colyseus. Okay, that's why. Yeah, but I'm doing that for the game room also. Yeah, but it's a game state, it's not a game room. I'm not writing the game state. I have lobby state, game state. And I have a lobby state schema and game state schema. So no, doesn't understand that my game state, okay, game state. Think it's related to my default game state, maybe? Send you back a game state. The new schema? I don't understand. Hmm. Yeah, it's a game state, so it's look like curious. Just have a look at my server. Maybe I'm not. Ah, it's called game, not game scene. Yeah, I should definitely have means there, but yeah, I don't think it's not the reason. Oh, but fuck, I'm so stupid. Of course, it's not game state. The game room. Game state, I receive it on the first change. change on the state. Once you have that, you assign your game state. And you're using the player selection scene to start the game in scene 1. Same game key. Ah, no, it's this .game.key, I think. That client game key. Yeah, it's game key. Not find game state. Yeah, so now you should have your game state when you click here. Leaving the room. Don't do that. You start the scene. That's strange. Why am I doing that? Why not this game? This thing is wrong. And you're launching to hot scene. So you're leaving that, and what you want to do is you just want to emit the player selection start. Emit the game. Now you should start your game with the initial player. Just check if it's working. Okay, let's have a look. Nothing. Oh, still have this error. It's annoying error. I think it's still related, probably related to. Yeah, I have no idea why I have this error, but it's related to where does it. Because I'm re-implementing them in the shape models, and it's not the models where it's defined, and I need to be more precise where it was defined first. Otherwise, it doesn't get the right model. Okay, now it's a player model schema. So same problem. Every time I'm getting a schema from my server, I cannot use it from the shape models for some strange reason. My client doesn't complain, but my server does. Yeah, but does it need to be a player model schema, so just a player model actually? Yeah, it needs to be a player, yeah, but not the option. Ah, wait a minute. Is that there also? Yeah. Okay. think this is the error. Let's go there. Okay, so now having an error. Yeah, but just I receive it. It's when I starting I have an error. So I have the game state correctly set. And I just want to check. So I have only one map. I'm going there with the other one. Should have two map. I have two item, okay. Like two ID. Let's inspect that. Yeah, okay. So now I need to see what's going on. Yeah. Thing is going to be complicated because it can happen into my game scene or my game can happen anywhere actually. Depend where I click. I don't know, should I make it work for my FFR or my training first? My FFR, okay. Make it work for my FFR. So FFR and my game scene. So I have still a lot of things in common. My training is very basic, nothing is going on. Does it still crash on my training? It still does. Yeah, because let's just there's nothing for let's just do the same things for my I'm going to lose a lot of things. But yeah, I don't need that. Definitely not. I still need to call super, but wait. Oh my god. Yeah, I still need to do only the create right now, so this is my create. Don't need the AI. And my updates. My updates. What does my create doing? My create, yeah. So it's already initting the projectile, the weapon, the ability, setting the camera. Yeah, it's adding the player. And what does it use a client game state player to do that? That's where it's crashing. No, it's actually working. These things. It's crashing after. It's crashing when it's try to do get children, and player ID is equal to this client ID. Because it doesn't get a player, I think. Yeah, but no. I think it's... Does it crash here? I just have the basic, but it's crashing... it's crashing on my game scene. Doesn't need to be inside the mode. So I don't need all that. I already have it. I need the restore event. Don't need that. I don't need that. Anything. Okay. Pretty much empty. I don't need that. Don't need that. What am I doing on the init? Init. Getting back the client. Restore event. That's strange. Yeah, but this thing is should be on my. I think it should still be on my init from the game scene. Don't need that. Yeah, I need that. Because you don't have background image, need to be set before. You have the key. Create background with the. Yeah. Sizing doesn't work. Yeah, you're just adding the image without storing it. I think this is the problem here. Right? Yeah, but why not? Because all I need to do inside my my FFI, if I want to change the background, all I need to do is changing the key. I mean, you know, I'm trigger the init, then I'm changing the key after, and it will work. So I can still have this code here. I just need the background image. I just need that. I think it will. Okay. Uh, so now let it crash. Okay, so I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. Well, I need nothing actually. I don't need anything here. Go away. Don't need Lodash. Okay. So now it should still crash, but I have a minimalist FFA mode, so it's going to be easy to see why it's crashing. It's crashing here. So this ID on the constructor. Ah, it's because. What's that strange? Yeah. It's crashing when I'm doing a new. Yeah, I know what's going on. I don't have an ID inside it. Because when I'm doing. When I'm doing a new player, this player model, my player model doesn't have an ID. Yeah, that's mean either I can put the ID inside my player model. I think it's the best way to solve it. Or I can map over the key, but if you do this game state, don't have game state here? Oh, strange. Yeah, I should have the client, yeah. Ah, Okay, I need to do client game states, not just. Why? Why do you don't have it? What the fuck? Ah, I'm not in the debugger. Okay. So we're doing this dot client dot game state. Still have a player, but I think I just want to see the value of it. Get. Oh, I know there's way to see the value, but it's kind of. Okay. Do I need to get player map schema? No. Items, I think. This no key and this value, and I have nothing in the into the ID, and that's my problem. Nothing into the rotation, but I don't care. Nothing into the X and the Y, so I should have something there. It's definitely my server that is responsible to do that. So let's take a look when I'm. So the thing is, what's happening? That's. I take my server for a second. Yeah, what's happening is that my option player, but I want my game room. Yeah, it's not. Does it? Is it a model? I'm not sure. Colyseus. And so this is trigger when there is an init, an unjoin. So this is trigger E, and I'm sending a player config. I'm not sending a model because I don't have the information. It need to be calculated with the other state. You need to say, okay, there is a player here. Pick a random location that is uh, not collide with that player, and pick the X and Y, and also putting the ID. So right now I need something like whenever you enter it, player should be called. It's not player model, definitely not. It's a player config. Player config, and so it should definitely calculate. It should map of yeah. I don't need to map over anything right now because something that I want to do, very simple, is just saying, okay, I also have an ID, and the ID is my client session. That's the first step. Then pick everything from that. No, I shouldn't have the problem with the ID. No, it should have an ID. Okay, just keep going. Yeah, I still have an error, but still have an ID of undefined. Okay, it didn't work. Didn't work. Why? Oh my god, I removed that, no? Debugger. Yeah, still crashed for the same reason. Ah, yeah, but no. This is where I'm starting. It's because there is nothing inside my player model. But it should have an ID now. It looks like this thing doesn't work at all. I don't think I can iterate it like that into my game state player. It's a bad way to iterate it. Okay. Is that, yeah. What console log is it? Oh yeah, it's value. Nothing inside the value. But I have the ID. What the fuck? So now I have the ID, but nothing else. And the ready? Did I fucked up something on the server? You think that my I'm doing something wrong, apparently. Yeah, looking state player, so the first one should have an ID. I don't need the change. Yeah, I need this sentry, change, value. Ah, not what I want. Oh, no. Yeah, the parent is my, yeah. It's not what I want. I'm surprised. No, but that's my console log on my server. Just want to check if it has an ID. Do I have an ID or not? Cannot see that, that's boring. Yeah, I need to do a get map to see if it's set the ID correctly, I think. Just because, yeah, I've get a set, but I don't care about that. I don't care about that. Can I do get this client.session ID. Log me. I need. Huh. We really need to do .id to see if it's. That's wrong. Yeah, it has an ID. That's boring to debug. I just want to. Yeah, you can probably do an object, JSONify the object, but. Yeah, you have something. So I have an ID inside it. It's not where it's crashing. It's on my client. What does it say? The first one doesn't look like my first console log. I have another console log. Back. Baby, come back. Oh, this is my, okay, my first console log. Yeah, the iteration already, the iteration display is broken, I cannot iterate it like that. I need to see how to use the map schema. Can do a map for each. Yeah, maybe I should just do a map for each instead. Yeah, what does it need? These things need, yeah, it just need new players, so. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do it inside it. Maybe I should have const existing player is equal to this dot client dot player dot for each. I just need the value. Do I need? Yeah, that's yeah. I don't need the value because I already put the ID inside the player, so I don't need the key anymore. Yeah, it shouldn't be a player config. It should be a player model now. Why it's a player config? Why is it infer that? Yeah, but my state player. Yeah, it's looks like I have a problem with my game state schema. why do why do you open a new frame? What the fuck is going on? Yeah, it's a model, so what's wrong with that? It's a model. Why do? Oh my fucking god! Now you should infer it that it's a configuration, that it's a model. Yeah, okay. So now I can just do that instead. And when I have the existing player, just need to add. So it's going to be a list, I think. The type void. Yeah, that's my problem. I'm for reaching, but I need to transform it into a list. That's annoying. I cannot do object values? No, there's no way to do it. Yeah, I don't think I can transform that. I don't think I can do that. Yeah, I can do that, then do a push. I'm surprised, yeah. Just I try to log the result of what is going to have. But apparently I cannot do that. But I'm doing object values. Yeah, object values as a change tree, and it says a map, then yeah, I cannot do that, there's no way. Object value doesn't move. Yeah, it's no, I cannot do that. I can only iterate it over it apparently. There's no other method. That's annoying. Ah, event trees. Ah, maybe. Maybe that's it.